Master the complexities of modern cybersecurity operations with our comprehensive training. Defend your enterprise architecture with precision-engineered incident response strategies. Evolve your defense capabilities today. Transition from reactive monitoring to proactive threat hunting and expert analysis. Sharpen your skills through 173 interactive assessment modules. Validate your knowledge and gain the confidence you need to succeed. Build your technical proficiency with 12 core chapters, 41 hands-on labs, and 62 expert objectives designed to test your mettle. Master 12 curriculum pillars covering advanced threat analysis, digital forensics, network traffic, and essential compliance frameworks. Identify malicious patterns in real time. Master the art of interpreting NetFlow data to expose sophisticated adversaries and achieve definitive threat neutralization. Execute standardized incident handling protocols with confidence. Minimize organizational downtime and reduce risk with proven industry-standard response procedures. Align your security operations with global industry standards. Master the regulatory frameworks required to protect your organization in a digital world. Step into a field with 32% projected growth. Build the high-demand security expertise that top organizations are searching for right now. Unlock career potential as a security operations analyst, incident responder, or cyber forensics expert, with salary potential reaching $145,000. Secure your future today. Enroll now for $279.99 and start your journey to cybersecurity mastery. Need more details? Contact our dedicated support team at support@uCertify.com for assistance.